A friend recently asked me, Morgan, when you are finally home, who do you most anticipate sharing a first campfire with in the kingdom of God? The answer was on my lips before I could even think. Dallas Willard. As Dallas so often did, I must turn to an image from the natural world to capture the power of his impact on me. Plant scientists in Cape Town, South Africa have studied an extraordinary plant called a resurrection plant. While these plants may appear dead in the midst of their harsh, dry habitat, they are actually in a state of hyperdormancy. And remarkably, when watered, these plants seem to resurrect, just brimming with robust well-being. And often I feel like I'm the resurrection plant, once in a profound drought, and now even in the midst of harsh conditions, because of the path of apprenticeship to Jesus and his kingdom made available in Dallas's renovation of the heart, I am accessing the reservoir of the life of God as a wellspring coming up from within me in increasing measure with every passing decade. The world's changed a great deal since Renovation of the Heart was first published, and yet the ancient practices that Dallas modeled and invited us into, such as silence, solitude, and the ruthless elimination of hurry, are more important than ever. I can imagine Dallas's calm, reassuring voice, reminding us that even seismic shifts in human culture do not change the proximity of Jesus and the availability of his kingdom here and now. In the midst of challenges, both internal and external, Dallas's timeless work in Renovation of the Heart steadies my soul. It renews my vision for Jesus' mission in the world. There's no better time than today to receive his fatherly care, an accessible path to true and lasting transformation. In the meantime, it's with joyful anticipation I await the coming campfire in the kingdom with my friend, father to my heart, and colleague and hero, Dallas Willard.